Hi guys, hi guys, so I'm here again in One Esplanade, and tonight will be the gala night where the girls will be wearing their beautiful gowns, and I'm done with my makeup for my candidate, and here are the other makeup artists. Guys, say yes! Walang yes? Okay. So this is my candidate. Come here, pal. Yeah. So this is my boyfriend. That's Sir Roy. He's the official photographer. And this is another candidate. What's your name, girl?
Wala. Charing.
From what school?
Uma-attitude.
Don't be so shy.
Charing.
I will plancha your face. Oh, anong name mo? Clarice. Ilang taon?
15.
Lights off, lights on. So, ayan na, guys! Say yes! Alam mo
Charing.
Ayan! So, this is the official makeup artist of One Esplanade. Ganon! Paano yung tono ng babae kanina? Hello, guys! How are you? So this is Mean, and I'm so proud of her. She got into MAC as guest makeup artist. Oh my god. And here's another one from MAC in her very beautiful costume. Pak, ganon. BC. Pak, booty shake. Pak. Ayan. O, ayan ang mga candidates ng Miss One Esplanade. For sale sila. For sale! Diyos ko! So, ito na yung mga pinakabatang makeup artist dito. Pak. Ayan. What's your name?
Michelle.
Michelle, what's your Instagram page?
It's Mitch Viraimua.
Yan, there you go, guys. Follow her Instagram. She's a great makeup artist. Yes! Ganon. So, eto pa. Ayan. What's your name? Jen, what's your Instagram, Miss Jen?
Jentan14.
Okay, Jentan14, and this is her station. Yes! So where's your candidate, Miss Jen? So this is Pak, the owner of One Esplanade. Ganon. So, tonight will be the gown presentation, and then the next event will be on September 15, right?
Yes.
For the talent. And so, man, is there anything you want to plug? Where you go and your contact details?
Hello guys! Tomorrow I will be in the Resorts World Manila.
Wow.
For Bituing Walang Ningning.
Ganun ka nakabawa?
Yes!
Oh my gosh. She's gonna hook me in MAC.
Yes.
By
Anyway,
hook or by
just
crook.
like my page, Mariani Makeup Artist P.
So, ito pa po yung isang may-ari ng One Esplanade. So, okay na yun, guys. Ha? Masyado na kayo namumuro sa akin. So, ito pa na si Sir Franz. Say yes! Yes! There you go. Ayan. Ayan. So, I have to say goodbye na because I've been an apple here. Oh my God. I have to leave na this place. This is again Clarice.
Tomboy po yan.
Tomboy ka, Clarice?
Hindi po
Okay, buti naman. Kasi ako tomboy ako. Sorry. Pak! Ganon! Miss Angeli smile! Pak!
Miss Angelina!
Ang puso kulay
Miss
brown!
Crystal!
Charit lang. Joke lang.
Miss Crystal yan!
Hi, Miss Rich. Siya si Miss Rich. Isa siya sa mga
Pumapost na sila.
Isa siya sa mga pinakabatang makeup artist dito. How old are you, girl?
21.
See, she's only 21! Sobrang bata niya. Tapos, she's doing makeup for how many years na?
Almost 5.
Wow! Amazing! Don't be shy. Kasi
Maaga
hi
siya
to
lumandi
them.
sa makeup.
So, where's your candidate na? She's outside na.
Yes. My candidate for today is Miss Sebastian.
Okay, I guess this video is taking too long na. So we have to say bye na. Mean have to say bye na.
Bye-bye!
And guys, you have to say bye. tayo. Back 360. Preno. Back. Forward. Backward. Forward. Cha-cha. Back. Sorry. Si Akira. Ito pala si Akira. Ito pala guys, si Akira, ang lalaking makeup artist ng grupo. Tapos si Akira ay Dax.
Baliw.
Sige na guys. Goodbye na. Ay, oh my God! This is Sis Kim and Sis Gracie, mga makeup artist. Ilang taon? Nurse ka, right? In PGA?
Yes.
Oh my God, she's a nurse and she's also a makeup artist.
Yes.
Sis Gracie, come here!
Hi.
Ilang taon ka na?
I'm 29.
Oh my God, hindi ko alam!
Bakit?
Wala ko idea. Akala ko mga 24 ka lang.
Thank you.
Oh my God! Congratulations sa makasatapos na tayo. Oh my God, syempre hindi naman pwedeng matapos to without thanking my friend. Okay, picture muna. What's your name?
Freddy.
Freddy. Hi, Freddy is a hairstylist. He's so good, he helped me out. Say yes!
Yeah.
And this is Ricky, of course. Hindi ko i-off ang video na to without you, of course. This is also one of our male makeup artists. Yes. What's your Instagram account so they can follow you?
I am Ricky Go.
I am Ricky Go. He's so good. And Aiza, of course. And Aiza. And the manager, is it? Supervisor of One Esplanade. She's so pretty. She's also a makeup artist, diba? Yes. And that is Aiza, one of my favorite makeup artists here. Si Aiza yung pinaka-rich sa amin dito na makeup artist. So, I have to say goodbye. Hindi na ako pwede masyado mag-ingay because the guests are coming in. Look, that is our event place. I'm right at the back of the cocktail section. I don't know what it's called. So we have to say bye. I'm so happy to share this. Whatever we are doing here in One Esplanade. I'm so grateful I met all these people around me. Oh. And I mean, learn a lot of things, learn all about makeup, share all the stuff that we know about makeup. It's a great thing because here in the Philippines, it's really hard like to find someone who can teach you because it's really expensive, and I am a self-taught makeup artist. Yes! So I have to say bye na. Bye!